Greetings and salutations, YouTube Wanderer. The Lost One Gaming here, and welcome back to Individual Investor Tycoon. So, we're back once again with our $3.9 million. And currently, I don't have any stocks right now because I've just kind of, at this point after the last episode and how well I did, you know, everything's just kind of high, and I kind of just need to watch for a little bit, I think, at this point. So, let's see. Hayer is now above 11, well, was above $11 for a second, but now it's kind of back down to normal. TCT net is kind of still at that $2 level. Sunpaper's going back up to 200 again. SSA Group. This year's country paper production. This year the country's paper production reached whatever million tons, an increase of 16.1%. Sophie set up a new research and development center for custom furniture. Okay, interesting. They're at $155. Got a year-end bonus. You performed well this year and got a year-end bonus of 5 months. Okay, cool. Now $4 million. $4 million. Let's keep going though. I'm still trying to see where I want to come back in. Some paper just went up to $300. Hello? I think I should have invested again at like 200. What was I thinking here? SSA Group is I'm trying to watch. This year the global, wait, hold on. The global something. Oh my god, Rambler, freaking Parallel just went up to 180. Rambler organized a training for global employees. Year the global portable multimedia player shipments increased 10.5% to 63 million. It's freaking crazy. Send is now at $18. Everything's taking off now, and I'm being left behind at this point because I was trying to invest again at a low price, and it doesn't seem like that's going to happen now. Like, I'm just lost at this point. I'm thinking maybe we can try. Amazon introduces its first Kindle device for e-reading books. Amazon's now in the market? Freaking crazy. That sent SSA Group down swinging for a little bit. I think maybe we'll try and invest in SSA Group real quick and see what we can do. I'm not really confident in this investment though, just saying. But, you know, I guess we'll see what we can do. 9,000, 44,000, 55,000, 79, 74. I think we're going to hold this long term and see where it goes. 94, 92. TCT net's now headed back up to $3, which is crazy. I haven't seen it at that price in a while. Maybe we should invest again for once. We're at 252,000 for SSA Group. I love how I was like, I'm not confident in that investment, and it actually turned into something like really quickly. Let's see. Let's go ahead and buy. Let's do this. There we go. $270,000 worth of shares. There you go. 100,000 shares in TCT net, and I lost money immediately. Great. 300,000. Oh, we're dropping back down with the SSA Group. Oh, I should have sold. I should have sold, and I wasted the potential there. Oh boy, that's what I always do now lately, isn't it? Hayer is now up to like $12. Jeez. Relying on the ISY social platform, TCT Net launched a series of board games. Board games? In 2007? We're talking about that? Making like a jump for them? Come on, you guys should be doing more than board games at this point. Like, what? Washing Machine and Research Development Center introduced a new mute technology. What is that? Does that just make it quieter or something? Is that what it's doing? We've lost $100,000 now. The price of log dropped. That's going to affect Sunpaper in a good way. SSA Group is now headed back up a little bit. But when would be the time to sell? I'm just going to go ahead and do it now. Let's go ahead and sell all shares that we have. 200, which is 20,000. $645,000 back. We didn't really make that much off of that. Plus, of course, what we're losing in TCT net. So, boy, oh boy, oh boy. I need a new IPO. I seriously want one. We haven't, like I said, we haven't seen one since Parallel. So I'm like, Considering that Sunpaper was once at like $300, maybe we might need to reinvest. Dang it, it went up right when I was talking about that. I mean, should I wait for it to see if it drops again? I think I probably should. If it gets back down to 100 and something again, I'm definitely going to sell it. I mean, I'm going to buy. See, it went back up to 300 again. Great. Freaking, I missed my opportunity once again. SSA Group launched a new desktop PC I had already sold, so I don't get the rewards of that at all. Doesn't really seem like there's that many rewards to that. Recently dry weather's led to frequent fire alarms, resulting in higher log prices. I missed another opportunity to sell TCT net, and so now I'm losing money again. Rambler signed a contract with the NBA. Cinda's now down like $15. Maybe we could try this again. Let's do, there we go, $741,000 worth of shares. And I can hope that it gets up to $20 again. That's kind of where I'm looking at. And maybe we'll get there, maybe we won't. Maybe we won't, because we're already losing 100,000. Labor costs rose in the paper industry. That's going to send Sun Paper down a little bit. Maybe. Or not. They could just recover from it and it not mean anything. Parallel just released an MP7. Do I really feel confident that Parallel is going to go any higher? I mean, it just did, but it just did, you know, forget me, right? 1676, 1762 released a new camera. There we go. TCCnet released a farm social game. Really? Hayer set up a new research and development center. And Cinda's now down to $12 again. Great. I'm going to invest more now because I can. Here we go. Alright, now I'm down to $2.7 million. The study found that not a specific study, the only study, found that modern people are more inclined to use portable mobile devices to read books. You know what? Just because, I'm just going to do this. Jesus, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. Oh, yeah, it is 5,000 shares. That's right. I'm losing a lot of money on my investments right now. I'm being a little bit greedy, and I probably shouldn't have done that. But, you know, I guess we'll see what we can get done. Parallel was up a little bit, but I want to see if it gets to like 200. Like maybe Sophie. Cinda's now back up. Oh, wait a minute. We might be making a... Oh, can we get up to 1 million? 952, 1 million. There we... Oh, I missed it. Wait, 1 point... Ah, frick, I missed it again. I thought I paused it in time. Hold on, it's going up again. If I can get back up to 1 million, I think I'm going to sell. Oh, there we go. Alright, that's perfect opportunity. I'm out. I'm out. I've had enough of this roller coaster. I don't want any more. 2.3, almost $2.4 million there. That's great. TCCNet's now making a profit as well. Now up to 4.4 mil. Rambler sets up new sports shoes research and development center. Cinda developed a new... dang it, I could have made a little bit more actually off of that. But I sold a little bit too fast and too hastily. 241, 261. I'm still watching Parallel right now. Hayer Brothers become what? The hottest childhood education cartoon. Hayer now freaking doubled in price. Jesus. Got a year-end bonus of 5 months again. Huh. So Hayer now has an educational cartoon. So what? Are they freaking talking washing machines or something? Is that what we're looking at? I don't really think that should be the best-selling cartoon these days. Parallel is now down to 97. Dang, man. I invested at the wrong time. I really did. I should have waited. Got a stock bonus. I got a dividend of $1,500. Great. Cinda announced the discontinuation of all film cameras to focus on digital photography. Okay. Sounds like they're pulling a Kodak. Sounds like they're now pulling a Kodak, but the question is, they went up to $50? Oh my god, I could have made like 2 or 3 million off of that. Oh no, Parallel Text MP7 is a failure and few people use it. I love how with that news it still is up above like 100k for me right now. Labor costs rose in the paper industry. Sun Paper is now down to like 120. I think this may be a time to invest. I like it. I'm gonna do it. That's $1.3 million there. And now Parallel decides to jump off the cliff. You know, it should have done it earlier, but now it decided it was going to do it. I think I'm just going to get rid of TCT Net just because I don't have confidence in them a lot of the time. And they don't really... Is that it? Hold on. There we go. I sold all my shares again. We're at 3.5 million. Sun Paper, I do believe, should make me a good bit back. Especially if it gets up to $300 again, which is a pretty big assumption. It's definitely wishful thinking, but I think it can. Alright. 120. Ooh. Not looking good. Demand for printing paper dropped for the first time. Oh, great. I decided to invest and then everything goes to crap, right? Cinda's now down to $17 again. I think this may be another time to invest. Considering it went up to 50 earlier. Let's see. We're gonna go ahead and do 1.6 million. That works. Sun Paper is now up 229,382. And it's back down again. 153, 156, 167, 69. I'm trying to hold to see if it can hit 200 again, so we may be in for the long haul here. Parallel is going to have to be a long-term hold too. It's known that recently 80% of the internet users are playing a farm game. Why? Why? Who decided, yeah, we're just going to play this farm game? Parallel, I think we may need to sell, considering, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of Parallel. Alright, let's do it. $861,000 back. Just because I don't really think, I don't know. Oh, right when I did it, it went up again. But actually, went up to 200 right after I sold. I was like, I don't know if it can make it back to 200, but you know, there it is. Shipments of notebooks worldwide this year increased 6% to 5.5 million. That should affect SSA Group, right? I've almost made $1 million on Cinda again. I'm going to go ahead and invest in SSA Group again. We'll do 700, which would be what, 70,000? Yeah, 70,000. And Cinda, can we get $1 million again off of Cinda? Maybe, maybe not. There's the $1 million. Can we get any higher? 27, 28, 29. Uh-oh. 29, 31. Can I get any higher? No. No, I cannot, apparently. Oh, wait. Yes, we are. 34. Oh, wait. I wonder if we can get back up to $50 again. I doubt it. It's dropping off again. Dang it. 30.75. Government issued environmental protection restrictions and some heavily polluting factory is being forced to shut down. Alright. TCCnet released an RPG game, Adventure World. Oh, they went up to $4. So now TCCnet's actually doing something freaking worthwhile, it seems like. Rather than just being a freaking pain in my side forever. Which is what they're known for. Okay. Making a decent bit off of SSA Group as well. I think I'm going to go ahead and sell Cinda, and I know that when I do, it's going to shoot up to like $50 again. And I'm going to regret my decision. But, you know, let's go ahead and do it. Alright. Get rid of all of our shares in Cinda. I'm probably going to get rid of my shares in SSA Group soon as well. That's $3.18 million. And yeah, let's go ahead and get rid of SSA Group as well. 770,000, $2.3 million there. Nice. Sun Paper is still at 86. I'm still going long on Sun Paper again. It's now down to 100 and something dollars. TCCnet's fallen off again. Great. Good thing I'm not invested anymore, but I have $7 million now, which is great. My cash flow is only $17,000 though a month. I got promoted again. The business you manager has seen good revenue growth for recent years and was promoted to executive with a 100% salary increase in 200,000 shares. 200,000 shares in what exactly? I didn't get any shares. I didn't get any shares anyway. Rambler Sports Factory, Shoes Factory, Outbreak Strike. Interesting. Alright, so we're almost up to, we're a little bit over 700k. We just drop back down for Sun Paper. I'm still shooting for 300. May not get there, but I'm waiting. I'm being patient this time. As patient as I possibly can at this point. Parallel's now down to $90 again. Rambler's down to 20. Hold on a second. That strike is really killing them, isn't it? Let's go ahead and invest. I think we're gonna go $3.5 million invested. I think this is gonna pay off heavily. You know, considering Rambler was at like $40 before all that happened, right? This could be good. Shipments of notebooks worldwide this year decreased 5%. We're already up $1 million, you know, off of that. Okay, well, we were. Sun Paper's back down again. Killing me here. You're killing me. Here we go. 1.5, 1.1. I'm still holding steady. Maybe we can wait till they sign another contract or something. Maybe they'll go back up. Shipments of notebooks worldwide increased this year 204%. There we go. $2.63 million. $3.4 million. Hold on. All right. 38, 39. Should I try and see if it can break 40 again? I don't know. It's headed back down, and now it's up again. It broke 40 for a brief second. I mean, I shouldn't be greedy, right? Grambling invested in the building of a new factory for the production of sports coats. That shot it back up to $43. All right, I think we're good. I've made enough money, $5 million in profit. I like it. I don't care. I'm good. 2,000. There we go. $8.5 million we just made off it total. You performed not bad in work this year and got a year-end bonus of 1 month. Really? Only 1 month? That's barely worth my time at this point. You know, I'm making millions of dollars now, and that year-end bonus is worth nothing. Absolutely nothing. Sun paper is, this may be the break we were looking for. 220, 230, there we go. 240, 260. TCTNet's game Monster Hunter. Isn't that a real game, right? The shares I can't read today. The shares you held are allotted a dividend, and you got $2,900. Great, cool. Not that that's a comparison to my $12 million. TCTNet's now at $9 after that game. Oh boy. TCTNet seems like it's a really, really long-term investment, you know? And I usually like get in and go for a short while and then jump out and just leave it. But it is dropping back down again. Hayer is now like in that $20 range again. Shipments, the world's largest largest e-commerce, Alibaba has held an online shopping festival. Who does that really affect at this point? No one. 296. Oh, there's the 300 I was looking for. All right, I think we're gonna hold it there. There we go. Sell all of these shares. That's $3.1 million. We'll have $15 million. Jesus. TCTNet's now at $7. Parallel's at 74. Parallel's just really been going down the drain, hasn't it? 68, 65. Geez. Samsung joined the appliance industry competition. That's going to send Hayer down for a little bit, but how long is the question? 1593, 1501, 14. I'm still thinking about Parallel because now they're kind of down in the dumps at this point. So I think we're going to go greedy. All right. $6 million we're going to invest in the Parallel in hopes that it possibly gets back up to $90 again, which it may or it may not. I doubt it at all at this point. Well, no, I don't doubt it. I think it will. Pretty sure it will, actually. Hayer is at $20 now. TCTNet's kind of holding around the $7 mark. That used to be where Hayer used to be for a while. Cinder released a new high-speed camera. They're now at like $30 again. I don't want to invest when Cinda's at $30 because I see them more than likely falling past $30, back down to like 18 or something again. I could be wrong though. Maybe they'll stay at that level for a while. Sophie's back at the 260 range. All right, we've made $5 million off Parallel. See, I called it. Here it comes. This may be our biggest investment yet. Can we make 7 million? 7 million. Can we get to... I was going to say, can we get to 8? I don't know if we're going to get to 8. We get close every time. 142, 136. I should have sold. I think... frick. I keep missing the opportunity here. I'm trying to... are we just headed straight down now? 127, 123, 119. TCNet released an action game, Dungeon and War... Why not Dungeons and Dragons? That's what it should have been. It shot back up to like 140 briefly for a second there. 113, 110, 108. Was I too greedy? Should I have sold earlier? I mean, I still got $5 million off of this, so one way or the other, it's not that bad. 127, 132, 138, 142. Every time I try and pause, and it's just like, there we go. I'm selling now. I'm selling now for my $7 million in profit. We're now going to be over $20,000 at this point. Hayer is now so low that I feel the need to invest. So we're just going to do this. $1.9 million. And maybe it can get back up to $20 again. I don't know. Possibly. Or not. We may just have to hold for a little bit and see what happens. But, I'm going to end it here, guys. And I will see you in the next one.